are the Reverse Engineers.
That's why we're a team.
We've been given the inspiration behind an incredible, groundbreaking piece of engineering.
And using science, technology, and a little imagination.
You actually done it?
As well as advice from the pioneers behind these engineering feats.
Is that good?
No.
We're discovering what it takes to make the future.
Oh, lovely stuff, mate.
Ah, the box of mystery. You ready?
Yeah, go for it.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, brilliant. It's dust.
It's sawdust, isn't it? I love how you went in and just touched it. It could have been anything.
Yeah, no, it's all right.
It looks like sawdust. Does it smell like sawdust?
I feel like I'm about to graze like a horse.
I think you should try it.
It doesn't smell like the stuff my hamster used to sleep in.
Is it like a kitty litter?
Oh,
No.
hope not.
You could use it as an exfoliant. Do you like a face pack?
I do.
Tell you what, I've got a feeling that what you've got in your hand there is plant waste.
Why do you think that?
It says it on there.
I mean, it says plant waste to build the future. I mean, you can probably build stuff with this, don't you think?
Hey.
Hi.
How's it going? Oh, yeah?
Tom looks like you've built a lot of houses as well. You look like a very manly man.
I did used to be a builder. That's where the
There you go.
idea came from. We use the byproduct from agricultural crops to be able to grow the materials of the future that are also completely compostable.
I have no idea what that meant.
So do you mean, so you'd use this stuff to build a house?
Yeah, well, the plants are grown for things like seeds, for oils, for fibre, for clothes, but then we use this bit to be able to put into materials that we need lots of. What I'd like you to go and do is put your imaginations together and try and develop a real-world thing out of this bio-waste. And I'm gonna come back later and see what it's like. Good luck, guys.
This is where the magic's going to happen.
This is the workshop.
This is where I feel at home.
There's all manner of stuff.
Wait, and so we just brainstorm.
Straight to the board.
OK, so in the middle is plant waste.
I'm so tempted to ask for a letter or a...
And then this is when you just shout things out like pineapple, coffee mats, picnic basket. No?
This is just words. I'm not sure what you mean.
Glue or
Glue.
whatnot.
How to make glue with natural ingredients. Cornstarch. Come on.
OK, corn, here we
Get
go.
that.
There we go, love that. So
Cornstarch, syrup,
Syrup sticky.
water.
Vinegar. We could try and make our own version of chipboard.
Making your own chipboard.
let's make a plank of wood.
Well, once we've got a plank of wood, we can do better than that.
Make a box, something like that, table.
We can make a table.
OK, let's design a table. Let's make a mini table.
Maybe like...
OK.
Let's be fancy. Like a round top.
Ooh.
How do we do the legs?
Wood for legs.
Well, like metal will be quicker.
So wooden top, metal
Yeah.
legs.
That's
Stronger.
why we're a team. See,
Yeah.
that's why we're a team.
So all we need to do is find some kind of natural adhesive, mix it with this, compress it, maybe heat it, turn it into some wood, knock that into a coffee table.
Right, so should we do this? We're about to make the best table you've ever seen. Now, I'm going to hold this end.
You actually done it. We've got a leg. So we're going to need 4 bits the same, and then bind the legs across.
I can do a bit of welding.
Yeah, you can weld.
Do you trust me?
No.
Here we go.
It's like a really rubbish fireworks display.
Yeah, it is. Oh, lovely stuff, mate.
Awesome.
There we go.
Get a gold star for your welding. So now all we need to do is make the top out of our actual bio-waste material.
So what is this?
This is our natural adhesive, so I
is
reckon
the
we just
adhesive.
scoop it in bit by bit until we've got the right consistency. We've got our template now, so all we can do is make the actual top.
Tip it from here, yeah?
It is like flapjack mix.
Do we just leave this to set now?
Yeah. Once this dries, we should have ourselves a coffee table top.
OK,
Cappuccino time?
lovely.
Alex, what are you doing?
Just tightening the bolt.
It's finished. Properly finished.
And I made cupcakes.
Ah.
It holds cups, plates, and cupcakes. What more could you want from a table?
Dom,
Guys,
how you doing?
how are you getting on?
Take a seat.
Thanks very much.
Cupcake.
Thank you, that's very kind of you.
What'd you make of this?
This is pretty cool. I think the most important thing is it looks good and it's got quite a lot of that plant matter in it.
I mean, this is solid.
It is solid. It's absolutely brilliant.
Alex has got ideas on that as well.
Yeah, I think a bit of paint
Oh, right.
wouldn't go amiss.
I kind of like the colour as it is. I like the natural flavour.
Well, you know, we can agree to disagree on that one.
So I'm the founder of Adaptivate, and we've developed a building material called BreathaBoard, which is basically the direct alternative to plasterboard. I won the Shell Livewire Entrepreneur of the Year, and Shell Livewire has really helped catalyse our R&D programme. We've got existing orders for this product, and we're really working hard and focusing our efforts on commercialising it. Basically, the problem with plasterboard is that it doesn't deal with moisture in the home very well. So BreathaBoard uses this material to breathe with the people in the home.
So this is more efficient.
Yeah, because it's a higher performing material, it means that it's saving energy whilst creating a healthier environment. And then at the end of its life, it's completely compostable. Because the big problem with plasterboard is that it has to go into its own contained landfill cell. It's really about creating materials of the future, right? You know, we need to move towards high-performing compostable materials.
So just one last question. How much are you offering us for it? Because you ain't getting it for free.
The coffee table.
Yeah.
You throw in the cupcakes. I think, you know, I'd give you 20 quid for it.
20 quid.
How about 30 quid and I throw in 2 delivery boys?
Sounds like a deal. Right on.
Cheers.
Well done, guys.
Thank you
That's
so
brilliant.
much.
It's
Thank
been
you.
brilliant to meet you all.
Yeah.
Thanks very much. And great work.